Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today we have a pick a card reading to receive guidance from angels and spirit guides. So, in today's reading, we will receive guidance about the messages that the angels and your spirit guides wish to give you. Before we begin with the reading, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the videos that we upload. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Links have been mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you would like to contribute to the channel, donation links have been mentioned below. Any contribution, small, medium, or large, is highly appreciated. So, without any further ado, let me introduce you to the three piles that we have for today's pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. Take a few moments and select the pile that you are intuitively drawn to. Once you have selected the pile, the timestamps have been mentioned in the description box below. Click on the timestamp and go to your reading. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your reading to receive guidance from your angels and your spirit guides. So the first card we have for pile number 1 is from Archangel Haniel, which says passion. The next card is new partner. Then we have listen to your intuition, forgiveness, and sun. So pile number 1, the angels and spirit guides are guiding you to listen to your passion and intuition and work towards things that you truly believe in. As you work on your dreams, as you work with passion and put your soul into your work, things will start moving rapidly. Also, with these cards, the message that I am getting is, as you follow your passion, things will not only improve in your love life, in your relationship, in your career, but you will find that inner peace that you have been searching for so long. For some of you, the guidance that I am getting is you already have the tools to be successful in your chosen path. However, there is a lack of trust that you have in yourself. And so with this card, Archangel Ariel is asking you to trust yourself and follow what you truly believe in so that the angels can help and assist you to be successful. For all those people who are single or looking for a business partner, with the new partner card, the angels are telling that coming forward you will find your partner. There is no need to worry about, though there might have been a delay in finding your partner, but you will meet your partner very soon. And with the unicorn and the angel in this card, definitely your partner is coming very soon into your life. There's no need to worry about and there is no need to stress about. As you follow divine guidance and listen to your intuition, you will exactly know who is your partner as soon as you meet him. Also, you need to forgive yourself, and apart from forgiving yourself, you need to forgive your mother or a motherly figure in your life, because as you start forgiving and healing the past relationship and the experiences that you have had in this lifetime, things are going to improve, and with intuition you will soon find your partner. Forgiveness is an important tool that I feel people need to follow, because as you start forgiving, you find that inner peace and inner calmness which will help you move forward fearlessly. With the sun card that we have, pile number 1, I also feel that if you have children, your children are protected and they have been taken care of by the angels. There is no need to worry how their future would be or how you will arrange and meet their requirements, because the angels are divinely guiding you. Also, with the frog spirit over here, I feel you need to give your kids their space and help them to move out of the comfort zone so that they can grow and prosper. For some of you, this message also applies to you because you have been confined to a limited space and you need to go out of your comfort zone. As you go out of your comfort zone, some of you will meet your life partner. Some of you will find new opportunities that will help them to grow their business or their careers, and that will bring them huge success. Another message that I am getting for people right now is you need to also take a leap of faith with this card. I feel a leap of faith is strongly required for you all to succeed in your ventures. I hope you all resonated with the reading. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to book a private reading with me, please do so. Links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 2, let's begin with your reading. So the cards that we have for people who have selected this pile are Claircognizance from Archangel Uriel, Steady Progress, In the Near Future, great, Romance, wonderful, and Dietary Changes. So let's begin with this card over here. So with this card, Claircognizance, Archangel Uriel is telling you to pay attention to your thoughts and ideas as they are answered prayers. So if some of you have been wondering what do you need to do next, or where are you going, and what is it that you would like to create in your life, Archangel Uriel and your angels and spirit guides are telling you to stop worrying and pay attention to your intuition and the repeating thoughts and ideas that are coming to you, because as you listen to those ideas, you will exactly know what you need to do and when you need to do. Also, when you get those ideas, Archangel Uriel is asking you to take action on it, because as you take action on the guidance that you are receiving, you will soon be at the top and receive the recognition and the success that is duly yours. There has been lot of period of struggle and stagnation that you have suffered over the past few years, and this is the opportunity and time for you to succeed. So stop worrying and act on the divine guidance. Also, for some of you, I feel that Archangel Uriel is telling that stop fearing that you will be alone when you reach at the top, because as you progress, definitely there might be some people who will get out of your life and new people would be entering, but you need to be in allowance that people who are vibrationally compatible with you will always be with you, and there is no need to fear about loneliness or aloneness at the top, because as you reach the top, you will find there are more people who would like to connect with you, and you would have the power to decide with whom you want to stay connected and with whom you want to cut ties with. The next card that we have for you is Steady Progress. So with this card, the angels and your spirit guides are telling you that you are progressing. Though right now you cannot see that you have grown on a sufficient level or that things are moving forward in your life, but remember, every action you do and every step you take towards your dreams and your goals is taking you a step further towards your future and towards your goals. So as you continue with your actions, you will definitely see light coming through and you will definitely see progress. With the next card, the angels are telling you that definitely success is yours in the near future. And the next card that we have for you guys from the angels and spirit guides is the Romance card. So with this card, the angels are asking you to bring more love into your life. If some of you are single, this card can indicate finding a new partner and entering into a loving relationship. For some of you, this card can also indicate that you need to find love in your present relationships and also see and experience self-love, because As you experience self-love, as you love yourself for who you truly are, you will broaden and increase your aura and your horizons and attract more loving personalities in your life. The angels are divinely blessing you all, and this is a wonderful time for you to self reflect on what things and what type of relationships you would like to have in your life, because as you give yourself the love that you desire from others, the same will be reflected back in your life and you will meet such wonderful people. For people in a relationship, I am also getting a guidance that you need to pay attention to your partner and listen to their needs, because they might be feeling neglected, and you might be wondering they are not doing anything, or I am not being able to find the love that I need. But remember that they love you, but they are not able to receive the love that they would like to receive from you. They are doing their best and they are not able to see a reciprocation from your side, and so they are kind of being aloof right now. And as you love yourself and as you radiate and express your love to your partner, your relationship will improve, and definitely there are going to be happy great times ahead. The next card we have for you, pile number 2, is dietary change. So with this card, the angels and your spirit guides are asking you to make the required changes in your diet. For people who are thinking about weight loss or getting healthy, look at what are the foods that you are consuming, because only thinking and doing nothing is not going to help you. You need to take action and make required changes in your diet, which will not only raise your vibrations but also help you increase your energies. Also, for some of you, the guidance that I am getting is this cup is something that is drawing my attention again and again. What are you drinking? Has your caffeine intake increased? Are you high on drinks that are not for your highest good? Reconsider your drinking choices. Drink more water and drink more natural substances, as that is also something that will really help you moving forward and help you increase your vibrations. So I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, give a donation to the channel. Link has been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you all. Hello, group number 3. So without any further ado, let's begin with your reading. So while I draw these cards, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, link has been mentioned in the description box below. If you would like to donate to the channel, please do so. Link for donations has also been mentioned in the description box below. So pile number 3, here we have the card set for you. The first card that we have is Hello from Heaven from Archangel Azrael, which says your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. So with this card, Archangel Azrael and the angels and your spirit guides are asking you to stop worrying. There are a lot of things that you have been worrying about lately, which has been keeping you in foggy environment, as you can see, and not allowing you to move out of the situation. So with this card, the angels and your spirit guides are asking you to stop worrying and pay attention to your life, your goals, your dreams, and work towards it. As you move out of this foggy environment, things are going to improve and start getting better for you. If some of you are feeling stuck, with this card, angels and your spirit guides are also guiding you to step out of your comfort zone and take risk, because as you take risk, you will identify your potential and will be surprised on how much and how good you are at other work and in other areas of your life. and that will really help you grow tremendously and succeed in your life. The next card we have for you is fresh air. So with the fresh air card, the angels and your spirit guides are asking you to move out of your houses and spend time in nature. Will be connected to the angels and the fairies more, and trees, plants, flowers and nature. You might go to oceans and breathe some fresh air, which will help you tap into the divine energies and increase your vibrations. Many of you have been stuck in home, so with this fresh air card, the angels are asking you to start moving. Go to a nearby garden or a beach, or take a vacation and spend time in nature, because as you spend time in nature, the stuck energies will slowly and gradually be released and you will be in a better space, which will help you to think and grow in your life. Also, with this fresh air card, the angels and your spirit guides are asking you that there is a smile element that is missing in your life, and as you spend time in nature, you will not only gain self-confidence and increase your vibration, but that inner joy will come back into your life, which will help you to really do things in a highly motivated and conscious manner. So with the next card, compromise, the angels and the spirit guides are telling you guys that you need to find balance in your life. I feel that majority of the people who have selected this pile are doing a lot of compromise in their life and are settling for things that are way less than what they truly desire and what they truly are capable of receiving. So with the blocked heart chakra and with this card, the angels are telling you to stop compromising and realize your true potential and be open to receiving the highest good that is for you. As you stop compromising and as you open your heart chakra and be open to receiving the gifts and the blessings that are for you, things will start improving in your life and you will be surprised at how much the universe can deliver to you. So the angels and spirit guides specially want you to do some heart chakra meditations and open your heart chakra to receive love and receiving all the blessings that are in store for you. Maybe because it has been blocked for a long time and you might have not be seeing the desired changes in your life in terms of relationship or in terms of your careers. And also with the fresh air card, as you go out of your houses into the fresh air, that fresh air will also help you open up your heart chakra and help you open up to receiving. So the next card that we have for you guys is there is something better. So with this card, the angels and your spirit guides are telling you that if you are shortlisting something or someone, or you are compromising in certain areas of your life, remember there is something better for you. Do not compromise. Listen and pay attention to your true potential and your true capabilities to receive, because definitely there is something better. So this card also highlights the heart chakra. This card also highlights the heart chakra, and I really want you guys to know that you need to open up your heart chakras using rose essential oils, aroma oils, rose flowers, or doing balancing of heart chakra meditations will really help you. As you open up your heart chakra, spend time in nature, things are definitely going to get better and better. Please do not compromise and settle for things. You need to come out of this foggy environment. You need to get out of your comfort zone to receive your blessings and have balance in your life. The next card that we have is emotional healing. So with the emotional healing card, the angels and your spirit guides are telling you to pay attention to your heart and release all the old pains and sufferings that you have gone through. For many of you, what I see from these two cards, emotional healing and hello from heaven, is that there might have been a physical loss of a loved ones, or there might have been an emotional loss of a loved one. So you need to let go of the past, you need to send healing to them and to your heart, so that both of you can move forward in your life. As you heal those emotions and as you allow universe, the angels and your spirit guides to take care of you, as you start spending time in nature and get a fresh breath of air and fresh guidance and increase your vibrations, things are going to start getting better for you. Just release all the grief and the sufferings, so that you need not compromise on anything in your life, and things and situations improve for you, and you are able to stand your ground and succeed in each and every area of your life. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Thank you.